No.
Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is on cyberbullying. I'm just going to read off of a website that I came across. I'll leave the link of the website in the description box below in case you want to just find out more about what they are about. By the way, this video is not sponsored by the organization that runs this website. This is just purely my own opinion and is in no way affiliated to the website that I'm citing from. Cyberbullying, according to stopbullying.gov, is bullying that takes place using electronic technology. Electronic technology includes devices and equipment such as cell phones, computers, tablets, as well as communication tools including social media sites, text messages, chat, and websites. Examples of cyberbullying include mean text messages or emails, rumors sent by email or posted on social networking sites, and embarrassing pictures, videos, websites, or fake profiles, etc. I wanted to talk to you guys about this because I've realized a lot of hate going around, especially on social media. That is your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, even here on YouTube. There are a lot of people that seem to think it's okay to say mean things about people, sometimes even people that they don't know, people that don't know them. You know, they hide behind the idea that, oh, they don't know me, like it really shouldn't affect them, you know? Like, I mean, any sensible person or any smart person would not pay attention to someone that says, someone they don't know who has a negative opinion about them, blah, blah, blah. If I was the one being bullied online and people were saying mean things about me and writing horrible things about me, painting me to be this disgustingly horrible person, I would start thinking that, you know, like I would start wondering, what is it that I'm doing that makes someone that doesn't even know me speak so ill about me? A lot of people, especially celebrities go through this every single day. People saying mean things about them, people spreading rumors about them, you know, tabloids, and they go through this on a day-to-day basis and have to put this tough guy suit on and make it seem like it doesn't affect them. But as a human being, as a fellow human being, I know for a fact that that person that is reading that hate mail, that is reading that hateful post about them online, feels horrible inside. It affects them more than you might think. Social media, it's a huge thing. It's a huge platform. You put one negative post about someone and it is shared, people comment, people like, people are, and it's in minutes, a matter of minutes, it is everywhere. If I am friends with someone that has posted something negative about someone and I like it, my friend, who might not be your friend, is going to see that I liked or I commented on something and is going to see that and might share it with another person, and it just keeps going and going and going. And at the end of the day, hundreds of people will have read this negative thing about someone. If you know that you know, it's okay to have an opinion. I am all for having an opinion. But if you know that what you're going to say is going to be extremely hurtful and is actually not going to be considered constructive criticism, I would suggest that you don't say it at all. I want you as yourself, as a fellow human being, to next time put yourself in that person's shoes. Ask yourself before you post anything online whether you would like to see your name being dragged in the mud like that, or your picture being associated to something negative as whatever it is that you are planning to post. Don't intentionally write things to hurt another person. Don't go and spread rumors that have not even a single fact living in them. Don't spread embarrassing stories about someone. Just be nice. Just be nice. It really doesn't hurt. Don't be a cyberbully. Okay? Be a friend instead. Okay, now I'm gonna end this video here. I do hope that my message got across, and do share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment below, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well for more videos, and yeah, comment below and let me know what other topic you want me to talk a little bit about or comment about, and I will consider doing it in my next video or videos to come. Thank you so much and have a splendid day on planet Earth. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Until next time.